In this GCSE Maths revision lesson, can we learn how to solve linear equations which have variables on both sides? We are going to start with the simplest, moving on to solve questions which are more complex. So can we start with this question 1, where we have just a basic variable on both sides. We are told to solve 5x is equals to 3x plus 8. So the first step in a question like this is to group the like terms together. And in this case, when I say like terms, I mean the variables and then the ones which don't have x. So in this case, I have 5x on this side and I have 3x on this side. And I can group them together like this. I take 5x, and you see this 3x, I move it on the left side of the equal sign. And because here it was positive, when I move it on the left side of the equal sign, it will be negative, so it will be 5x minus 3, like that. So it's equals to 8, because 8 doesn't have another value which is similar. Then from there, I just take this 5x minus 3x, which is 2x, like that. Then it's equals to 8. But you see, I need x, I don't need 2x. So to get x, I need to divide both sides by the coefficient of this x, which is 2. And then I also divide here by 2, like that. So from there, 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 multiplied by x will be x. So it's equals to 8 divided by 2, which is 4. And then becomes the solution for this first question here. So can we try to solve question 2, which is a bit complex. So in this question 2, we have taught to solve 7x plus 3 is equals to 4x plus 3. And the first thing here is to combine the like terms together. These are the variables and the constants. And when I mean variables, they are the ones with x, and then constants are the ones without x. So in this case, we have 7x. And then since here, this is 4x on the right side of the equal sign, when I take it on the left side, it will be negative 4x, like that. Is equals to this 15 here. It retained on the right side of the equal sign. Then we have 3 here, but because on the left it was positive, when I take it on the right, it will be negative, so it will be 15 minus 3, like that. Then from there, I can just take 7x minus 4x, which is 3x, is equals to 15 minus 3, which is 15 minus 3, which is 12. And from there, I only need x and I need 3x. So to get x, I need to divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 3, like that. So it becomes 3 divided by 3 is 1, 1 multiplied by x is equals to 12 divided by 3, which is 4. And then becomes the solution for this question 2 here. So let's try to solve one with negative variables. In this question 3, you are told 6x minus 5 is equals to 2x plus 11. So the first step is to group the like terms together. When we are grouping the variables, then the constants, in this case, variables are the ones with x, constants are the ones without x. And as you can see, we have 6x here, and then we have 2x here. But 2x, when I move it on the left side of the equal sign, because here it was positive, it will be negative 2x, like that. Is equals to 11. This one. But you see, we also have 5 here as a constant, and on this side it was negative. So when I move it on the other side, the right side of the equal sign, it will be positive. So that sign is determined by if here it was negative, you move it here, it will be positive. If here it was positive and you move it here, it will be negative. So then from there, it is 5, not 15, sorry. This is 5. Then from there, I can just take 6x minus 2x, which is 4x, is equals to 11 plus 5, which is 16. But you see, I only need x and I need 4x. So to get x, I need to divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1, multiplied by x, and the x is equals to 16 divided by 4, which is 4, and then becomes the solution for this question 3 here. So can we try to solve question 4, which is more complex, and see what we get? So in this question 4 we have 8 minus 7 is equals to 3x plus 18. The first step, as usual, is to group the like terms together, which are the variables and the constants. So here we have the first variable is 8x, then we have 3x on the right side, we move it on the left side, and because here it was positive, on the left side it will be negative, so it will be 8x minus 3x is equals to this 18 here, and we have 7, negative 7 here, and because here it was a negative, when I move it on the other side, it will be positive, so it will be 18 plus 7. Then from there, I take 8x minus 3x is 5x is equals to 18 plus 5 plus 7, which is 25, like that. Then from there, I need x and I need 5x, so I'll divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 5. So it becomes 5 divided by 5 is 1, multiplied by x is equals to 25 divided by 5, which is 5. And then becomes the solution for this question 4. So can we try to solve the last question, which is question 5, and which is the most complex. So in this question 5, the first step is to open the brackets. I told you so, we need to take all the values inside the brackets, we multiply them by the value outside the brackets. So here it will be 5 multiplied by x, which is 5x, then plus 5 multiplied by 2, which is 10. We have opened the brackets on the left side, is equals to, then we'll do the same here. 3 multiplied by x, which is 3x, minus 3 multiplied by 4, which is 12. Like that, we have opened the brackets, then plus 26, because this 26 was not inside the bracket, so we will not multiply it by 3. Then from there, we'll group the like terms together, the variables and the constants. So we have 5x, then this 3x on the right side was positive, so on the left it will be negative, so 5x minus 3x is equals to negative 12, this one, plus 26, this one, and then minus 10, this one, because on this side 10 was positive, so when it moves on the other side, it will be negative. So it will be minus 10, like that. And from there, we can say 5x minus 3x, it will be 2x. Then is equals to 26 minus 10 is 16. Then negative 12 plus 16, it will be positive 4. Then from there, because we only need x, we don't need 2x, I divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 2. So it becomes 2 divided by 2 is 1, multiplied by x is equals to 4 divided by 2 is 2. And that becomes the solution for this last question, here, question 5. So that's it for this lesson. If you have any question or there is a place you did not understand, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll try my level best to answer any question you have. And bye for now. Let us meet in the next lesson where we are going to solve questions on different topic.